Hi, everybody. All right, I actually found something to record-ish, because I really don't do flying videos. Those are just boring. But what is fun is working on the plane and changing stuff out, and that includes adding this. That is a beautiful burled rosewood throttle knob replacement that my brother made. My brother owns a machine shop. I always wanted him to make something for my plane, so he made me this. I sent him the replacement knob from Spruce, had it drop shipped to him, and he said, I'm going to make you something cool. And was home for Christmas, and he gave that to me. It's sweet. So the bottom's drilled out. He even made me a couple of brass inserts, depending on what the thread was going to be. Come to find out, it's a 1/4 by 28, same as just A and 4 threading. So yeah, I mean, I love my brother. That thing is sweet, and I'll show some pictures at the end. So here I'm just sanding it down. I think yeah. So that's 1,000 grit I got in my hand there. Then we're going to use some quadruple alt steel wool, and then after a couple of days of rest, I'm going to tongue oil it, and you'll see those pics at the end. So yeah, what have I been getting into? Well, I got promoted again, so I've been just working non-stop. I decided to get back into golf. Here's what that looks like. Yeah, I know it looks smooth and all, but oh, what a pain. It's part of my 2024 promise to myself. The theme this year is health. So it's 2024 health. You can see how enthusiastic I am about it. And I will admit it, hitting golf balls 2 to 3 times a week really, really does help. Shockingly. So does Flemish Red Ale. Oh, and that was a good one too. So yeah, my brother made me this throttle knob. It's great. Now, real quick, he wants to sell those. Well, he doesn't necessarily want to, but he will. So if anyone's curious, there was a hole up at the brass inserts he gives me. He will make and sell these. So it depends on the wood, of course. Burled rosewood is not easy to get, so for these he's going to charge $75. With that, you get the throttle knob and you get the brass insert of whatever threading you need. It'll come epoxied, and then you can just finish it yourself. So, just something like that. I'm not really going to mention it or try to sell it. If you happen to watch this video and you really, really want one, great, let me know. If you want to spread the word on it, great. I'm not going to. I'm just saying it's an option. So we're going to use a tongue oil finish for this. Tongue oil is great. It really makes that burl just shine. Of course, remember, if you are using tongue oil, that's one of the exothermic drying oils where you need to lay the rags out flat and wash them, preferably, so they do not spontaneously combust. You do not wad the rags up and throw them into a trash bin. That's a recipe for an insurance fire. Alright, so here's a couple of still shots. So here's the original knob, and there's the one that my brother did before finished, and here's the one after finished. I mean, how pretty is that? Anyway, I don't know when the next video is because I really only do this when I work on her. But there will be more. I just can't say when. But until then, thank you for joining me, and see you soon.